Pain is present every time we experience suffering. We cry, nagahibi kita, bangod, may mga nagakabagay nga hibian. Pero ang Dios maayo man sa tanan nga tion, bangod kung ikaw nagahibi, ang Dios gahatag man sa mga panahon nga ikaw makakadlaw man. Ang aton pagkadlaw nagahilom man sa anuman nga tanan nga kasakit nga masarangan ayohon sang Dios. Nakahibalo ako nga bisan sa panahon sa kamatayon karon ni Brother Jerry, iya gid ini nahantok kag iya na eksperyensyahan. Pero sa iya sitwasyon subong, hindi na niya mabatyagan ang nabatyagan naton sa subong man. Sa resurrection of the dead, the Bible said, we are an immortal. We have a body which is heavenly in the book of Corinthians. Silang ni Paul. Our body here on earth is different from the body of a heavenly bodies like Jesus. He is the firstborn among the dead. To be an example that there is hope in death. There is life after death. Death is just a beginning of a new journey that leads to eternity, and it leads to the full blessings and power and might of God.
I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
Thank you for being here today to support family. Honor Jerry. For those who don't know, I am Jeline, Jerry's older sister. We are 3 siblings. Girly, me and Jerry was the youngest. Having him in my life was one of the greatest joys I've ever known. And standing here today is incredibly hard. But seeing all of you here bring us joy and so much comfort.
So let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Oh.
My brother had such a good heart. He had a unique way of making everyone around him feel special. So he loved helping people. He was a happy person, pasaway at times, but very sweet and caring. Jerry taught me the life is too short, so we might as well enjoy it. Although he was taken from us far too soon, I find peace in knowing that he lived his life fully and left behind so much love.
Oh, this is is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin. 'Cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. It is I love you to take with you until you're home. It is I love you to take with you until you're home.
My whole family nagakasubugid sa balita nga tuman ka golpiyada. But yet, ang kabuhi, hindi naton ma-deny that the fact of life is very surprising ang ginatawag nga death to every human being.
Life is not at all that bad, my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks through life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, and you see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And I will give you rest. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will